Hi, my name is Faye. I am currently FEMBA class of 2021. I work as a physical therapist in the healthcare industry and will be transitioning into consulting after graduation. I chose UCLA Anderson for my MBA for career switch. I chose GAP for my field study because I wanted to gain consulting experience, especially in a field I'm not familiar with. I had the opportunity to work with a team of 5 and help out a New Zealand startup company in the construction industry. I learned to perform primary and secondary research and synthesize information with my group. But most importantly, during GAP, I learned from my GAP teammates who had various skill sets, and we were able to help each other grow. The GAP experience provided me with the opportunity to gain skills I feel will be very important to help me with my career transition into consulting. Having just completed GAP, I'm excited to take forward many learnings into my career, including working in teams, drawing insights from data, sharing research findings and ideas to teammates and clients in productive ways, and learn from others as well as continue to grow personally and professionally. I am honored to be selected by the faculty as a Voice of FEMBA for GAP. I hope my story encourages you to apply didactic learnings from classrooms to real-life business situations. Develop your personal leadership style in your GAP or BCO team and challenge yourself to grow in your next steps of your career. Good luck.